Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Honda Civic EX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.5-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 89,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 32 miles per gallon in the city and 42 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.